Welcome to Truck Finders, where we showcase the cool, hard to find, and in some cases, downright rare trucks. Today we've got a trio of manual trans 2014 Ram 3/4 ton 4x4 pickup trucks. 3 of them in stock. BJ, why are these desirable trucks?
Well, first off, you can't find a Ram manual trans anymore because they quit making them in 2018. So the desirability is there because if you want a manual trans, it's got to be a 2018 or older. There was no 19 and beyond manual transmissions. Manual transmissions are gone in general altogether because in 2006, Chevy GMC quit making manual transmissions in their gas and diesel 3/4 tons, 1 tons. And in 2010, Ford did as well. You couldn't get a manual trans anymore. So Dodge Ram was the last one that was making them through 2018. Now you can't find them. So if you want a manual trans, 18 is your most current model, and we try to find these trucks because they're desirable.
And who wants the manual trans, and why do they want the manual transmission?
Well, a lot of guys like them because they're pulling something with their trailer. They feel more comfortable. They want to know where their transmission's at all times. You're replacing a clutch, the torque, the power, and the fact that there's so much desirability with the manual trans versus an automatic for towing.
No shortage of the manual trans Rams at Autoland. So we've got these 3, all 2014 models. We've got another one, a 2017 Laramie on the lot right now. We've probably got about a half a dozen other ones ranging from as early as a 2nd-gen Ram all the way to the 4th gens we're talking about today. 3 of them we're highlighting specifically. We've got a 2014 Tradesman. It's got the utility topper on the back. Another one that just came in, kind of a rare color, the New Holland Blue. Another 2014 3/4 ton.
That's a one owner, I think, too, with low miles, like 59,000 miles.
Low mile, one owner. And then another one owner, this one coming from California, but a very striking black 2014 3/4 ton. And that is another 4x4 manual. Again, one owner from California for this one.
Yeah, the fuel mileage on these manual transmissions are really great, too. That's another added feature versus gas. And so not only do you get the power, the torque, the manual transmission, you get great fuel mileage.
Now, you do see the manual trans fetching a higher price than their automatic counterparts. You've talked about people that are towing, wanting the manual transmissions, but at what point do you begin to look at these trucks, and do you start to actually see kind of a collector's market going for a truck like this?
I think it's already begun for years back because some of the older Dodge diesels are so desirable, and you see them out there that are crazy what they bring for money in the collector market, you can say. And we had I think it was a 91 or 92 regular cab diesel that we got out of California. It was really rare find. It was a manual trans. It was a 12 valve. It was mint. It had like 40 or 50,000 miles on it. And it was crazy the activity we got off that thing that you're never going to find another one like it. Mm-hmm. And that's how these are. These are getting to the point where try to find one with low miles and try to find one that's rust-free. Try to find one that's nice.
Yep.
Is the big thing.
And, with something rare like this, they're not coming in off the street as trade-ins at Autoland. They're not something that we find just down the road. I mean, you got to go the extra mile. Sometimes you got to go the extra 1,000 or 2,000 miles to locate these. That being the case with the black one owner from California. So you really do have to do some hunting and searching to find these and locate them.
Right, exactly. And they're like I said, they're clean, rust-free units, and that's what we search for. We don't want to put something in somebody's going to have issues down the road.
Yep. So these 3 we've been talking about in stock at Autoland Outlets, a variety of other manual trans Rams as well. So look us up at AutolandOutlets.com.
Yeah, check us out. Give us a call at 815-525-5000, Autoland Outlets.